Today's title is Reader's Corner. It happened at Kiyomizu Temple. This story happened when I visited Kiyomizu Temple in Kyoto. When I got to the Ottawa waterfall, there was a line of people waiting. There are 3 waterfalls, but people go one at a time. I thought it would be okay for 3 people to go together. Since there were 3 waterfalls, I suggested this to a foreign woman in front of me, but she told me that each waterfall had a different benefit, so people should go one at a time. It's funny that a foreigner told me about a Japanese custom that I, a Japanese person, didn't know. This kind of thing happens sometimes. People tend to be indifferent to their own culture, whereas foreigners are keen on learning about foreign cultures.
There are 2 questions, please answer them. Question 1. Was the writer Japanese? A1 Yes, the writer was Japanese. Answer. Yes, the writer was Japanese. Question 2. How many waterfalls are there at Ottawa Waterfall? Answer. There are 3 waterfalls. Did you enjoy this story? Please subscribe to this channel.